Hello again, everyone. So we are now going to continue our discussion about Melc 5. This time, Learning Activity Sheet 5B. And the topic is still the same, illustrating and differentiating related terms in algebra. Of course, this is prepared by yours truly, your math teacher, Ma'am Benitez. So let's have first the background information for learners. So here, we have, or let me read it to you first, another important terms in algebra that need to be understood. First, we have algebraic expression. So what is algebraic expression? It says here that it is a group of terms separated by plus or minus sign. So again, ang algebraic expression, group na siya sang terms nga na-separate sang plus kag minus. So, ano naman niya ang term? Kaya gin-mention diri ang term. So, term is a constant or a variable or a product of a constant and variable. So, take note ha, ang term pwede siya constant, pwede siya variable, or pwede siya tingob or product sang constant kag variable. So, in algebraic expression, let's say we have this example ng algebraic expression, 9a squared plus 11b minus c. So, ang terms sa 9a squared plus 11b minus c are 9a squared, 11b, and negative c. So, kay expression ni sa mabasa ko minus c. So, kung minus c na lang, siya na lang, we can say this is negative c. Okay? So, amo ni siya ang term. Kay ang term is a product of a constant and variable. So, di ba constant si 9? Constant term siya. Or numerical coefficient. And then, variable si a. Or literal coefficient, kay may dala siya nga exponent, so product sang 9 kag sang a squared. Magbasa si ni class a squared or a raised to 2, pero ang shorter term niya sina is a squared. Okay, next we have 11b, term na siya, and also negative c. So, amo na siya ang aton nga term. Okay? So, pero, kung gina-separate siya sa plus kag minus, these are algebraic expression. Okay? So, terms, tanan sila algebraic expression. Okay? Ariyo na mention man. Next, a polynomial is an algebraic expression where the exponent of the variables are all whole numbers. So, it should be non-negative exponent. So, buot silingon, ang polynomial algebraic expression ni siya class nga ang iya exponent dapat ang exponent sa iyang variable dapat hindi siya negative or dapat positive exponent siya. So an algebraic expression is not a polynomial if, take note of this, makonsider ta ang isa ka algebraic expression nga hindi siya polynomial if may ara siya 3 ka classification. So first, the exponent of the variable is not a whole number. So magsiling ka whole number that is from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, so on and so forth. Whole numbers na siya. Pero magnubo sa 0, hindi na siya whole number. So kung ang exponent sa variable hindi siya whole number, or kung negative siya, meaning, hindi siya, hindi siya polynomial. Okay, next, letter B, the variable is inside the radical sign. So, magsiling ka radical sign, ari siya. This is an example of a radical sign. Square root bala. Kung may ara variable sa sulod sa radical sign, meaning, hindi na siya polynomial. Next, for letter C, the variable is in the denominator. So, di ba, we have fractions sa babaw numerator ang sa dalom denominator. So, kung may ara gani sang variable sa dalom or sa denominator, meaning, that algebraic expression is not a polynomial. Okay? So, a polynomial can be classified according to the number of terms and according to its degree. So, these are the kinds of polynomial according to the number of terms. First, letter A, monomial. Polynomial with one term. Kung isa lang ka-term, example, a squared, 4y, negative 21, and ay, these are monomial. Isa lang siya ka-term. Although nga, may duwa ka variable, but this is considered as one term because wala ka man may makita nga plus kag minus sa tunga nila. So, consider ni sila nga terms. Okay? So, one term na sila. Okay? A squared, 4y, negative 21, ay. Now, B, binomial naman. So, magsiling ka binomial, polynomial with two terms. Duwa naman ka terms. So, of course, this is already separated by a plus and minus sign. So, example, z plus 4. Okay? Next, 9 times, kay may parenthesis, 9 times the quantity of x plus 1 minus 6. Hindi ka di magtalang, class A. Ang 9 times the quantity of x plus 1, this is considered as one term. Kay tungod, may parenthesis siya nga naga-precede sa 9. So, meaning to say, product ni si 9 kag si x plus 1. Kay may close parenthesis siya. So, minus 6. Ang naga-separate lang dito is minus. Tandaan ta, term is only separated by a plus and minus sign. Okay? Pero kung wala ka na may makita sa ilang plus kag minus sign, meaning considered as one term na siya. Except this, ay na-enclose sa parenthesis mo. So, meaning multiplication is sa product ni ang 9 times the quantity of x plus 1. So, considered ni sila as one term. Okay? Ang nag-separate sa ila is si 6 or negative 6. Kay may minus sa. Okay? And also this one. Square root of 2x squared plus x. Considered also as two terms because this is separated by a plus sign. Okay? Next. Letter C, trinomial, polynomial with 3 terms. So, example, we have a squared plus a minus 1. And then we have 6x cubed or 6x raised to 3 minus x squared plus 2. Pero ang shorter term sinisang 3 exponent, we read this as 6x cubed minus x squared plus 2. Okay? So, 3 terms gyapon because this 1, 2, 3. So, these are separated by minus and plus sign. So, sa diriya, a squared, a, and 1. 3 terms separated by plus and minus sign. Okay? So, next, sa letter D, multinomial. So, this multinomial means polynomial with 4 or more terms. Multinomial ang tawag kung ang polynomial may ara na siya 4 or sobra pa sa 4 nga terms. So, example, we have x raised to 5 or x to the 5th plus 2x raised to 4 or 2x to the 4th minus 3x squared minus 4. So, how many terms? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, multinomial. And this one, 5ab cubed plus 3a squared plus 4a plus b minus 7. So, how many terms again? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms. Okay? So, kabay pa naintindihan nyo di ang sa polynomial nga classification according to the number of terms. Balik kuliwat, kung isa lang, monomial. Kung duwa ka terms, binomial. Kung tatlo, trinomial. Kung apat or sobra, multinomial. And take note class, ang terms is only separated by plus and minus sign. So, hindi kita magtalang. Pero kung product siya or division, considered as one term lang na except for plus and minus operation. Okay, so let's now continue. Degree. Degree is the highest exponent or the highest sum of exponents of the variables in a term. So the degree of an expression is the highest degree of its term. So here, in 3x to the 4th y squared plus x minus 7, so ang degree sini, or the degree, is taken by adding the exponent of x, which is 4, ari, and the exponent of y, which is 2. So, i-add ta na siya. Okay, so therefore, 4 plus 2 is 6. So, the degree ta for 3x to the 4th y squared plus x minus 7 is 6. So, amuna kita magkuha sang degree. Okay, that is if we have 2 or more literal coefficients. Pero kung isa lang, baliktad kung isa lang, ari, the highest exponent or the highest sum of exponents of the variable in a term. So, the degree of an expression is the highest degree of its term. So, kagina, ang example ta nga 3x to the 4th y squared plus x minus 7, may duwa ka variable. So, kay may duwa ka variable siya, so i-add ta na ang iya nga exponent, 4 plus 2, we get 6. So, therefore, ang given na 3x to the 4th y squared plus x minus 7, ang degree sini is 6. Pero kung isa lang ka variable, parehas tabunan, kung i-abi ang y, wala siya by squared, x to the 4th lang, itaon ta kung ano ang pinakadako exponent, amo na siya ang degree. Okay? So, tandaan nyo lang na. So, kinds of polynomials according to its degree. So, we have first constant, a polynomial of degree 0. So, example, 500, negative 7, 2 over 5, or 2/5, wala ni sila ya. Ang ila degree ni 0. Okay, kay wala sila ya variable. Kay gakuha ta sa exponent sa aton nga variable. So, linear, letter B. Linear nga degree if a polynomial of degree, linear means a polynomial of degree 1. So, example, x plus 6, 81a, x minus 3y, and z. So, here, ang x, may degree siya, which is, ang exponent yun is considered to be 1. So, degree 1. 81 may exponent sa nga isa, so degree 1. Amo man yung x minus 3y, pareha sila nga may degree nga 1, ang x kag ang y, so 1 man yung degree niya, so linear na siya, and also z. Okay, pero again, kung constant, wala degree 0 gina. Next, quadratic. So, a polynomial of degree 2. So, ari 8x squared, ab. So, ab, kahit upod sila, considered as one term, 1 plus 1, 2. Iniya, hindi tayo magtalang ha, separated by minus sign sila. So, kada term, 1, 1. So, 1 lang yun yung degree nila. Except siniyo kay product, considered as one term, sila kay multiplication ni mo. Next, 13x squared. Then, we have 5xy. So, x or kag y, 1 plus 1, 2. 23, ab. So, 1 plus 1, 2. Plus 7. So, ini ang degree is 0. Pero ang pinakadako di is 1, 2, which is quadratic. Okay? So, next is cubic. So, a polynomial of degree 3. So, examples, we have 2abc. So, 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. Next, we have 4x squared y minus 2y. So, ang pinakadako di is x squared y, so 2 plus 1, 3. And then, last, we have 3x cubed minus 2xy plus y squared. So, the greatest exponent here is 3. So, ang atong degree is cubic. Okay, next, quartic. Quartic, so a polynomial of degree 4. So, we have example, 16x raised to 4, or 16x to the 4th. We have a squared, b squared, so 2 plus 2, 4. Next, we have 5x squared plus 4x cube y, so 3 plus 1 is 4, and lastly, we have 18a cube b plus 7, so 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay, so next, quintic, a polynomial of degree 5. So examples, 10a squared, b squared, c, so 2 plus 2 plus 1 is 5. Amo man ni siya, 9x squared, y cubed minus 2y. And then we have 10x to the 5th minus 2xy plus 7y squared. So,